Our universe has many galaxies. Yes, and the name of a galaxy is Milky Way. And in Milky Way, we have the solar system. In the solar system, we have Sun in the center. Sun is the only star in the solar system. Now, what are stars, children? Stars are the tiny dots you see in the sky and they twinkle. But they look very tiny because they are very far away from us. And sun looks very big because it is very close to us. Now, around the sun, we have 8 planets. So these 8 planets which you can see here, these are the 8 planets which revolve around the sun. Now what is a revolve, children? Revolve means to go around the sun. Now each planet has an orbit along which they revolve around the sun. Mercury has its own orbit. Now what is orbit? Orbit is a path. Path means road along which the planet revolves around the sun. So this is Mercury. This is the orbit of Mercury. So Mercury will revolve or go around only in his own orbit. Yes. So now we will learn the names of all the planets. And then the other planet, it will also go in its own orbit. And see, they are not dashing each other. Each one has got its own path to go around the sun. That path is orbit. And you know what is the shape of the orbit? The orbit is elliptical. Elliptical means it is oval in shape. The orbit, the path, the road is oval in shape. So now we will see all the planets. We will learn the names of the 8 planets. And they are at a different distance from the Earth. So we have Mercury here. Say Mercury, 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 Mercury. This is the first.
Mercury.
Then we have
Mercury.
Venus.
Super.
Venus.
Earth. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Mars.
Jupiter. Sang patkan.
Mars. Mars. Jupiter.
Excuse me, those the planets, please let us listen, okay? Other children don't know. For example, nursery don't know the planet's name. Please let them listen. Don't unmute your mic. It's a request. Please don't unmute your mic. Just mute your mic. Let them also learn, okay? Good children. Very good children. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Durva, please mute your mic, beta. Yes, very good.
Jupiter, 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 Saturn, 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 Uranus, 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 Neptune, 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 Neptune. Now we will tell you about each planet in detail. Now we'll begin with Mercury. Okay, children? Now Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Can you see Anita ma'am showing you Mercury? Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. and Mercury is nearest to the sun. Mercury is nearest to the sun, and so it is extremely hot during the day. On Mercury, it is extremely hot during the day. Now, the second planet is Venus. Venus, and Venus is the hottest and brightest planet in the solar system. The hottest and the brightest planet in the solar system. It can be seen in the morning and in the evening. We can see it in the morning and also in the evening. And so it is called morning star and evening star. Morning star and evening star. Please, children, you listen, because after this I will be asking you the questions. So Venus is called the morning star and the evening star. Okay, now the third planet is Earth, and 70% of the Earth is covered with water, and so it is called the blue planet. The blue planet, and life exists only on this planet. We all live on this planet. We find trees, animals, and all kinds of reptiles, all kinds of creatures we find on Earth. Yes, and on Earth, there are many countries, and we live in India. And in India, we have Maharashtra. And in Maharashtra, we have Pune. And we all live in Pune. So this is the planet Earth on which we all live. Please give listening here, children. I am going to ask you questions. Okay. Now, after that, we have fourth planet. That is Mars. The fourth planet is Mars. It is also known as the red planet. It is also known as the red planet because on this planet we find red soil and rocks. We find red soil and rocks, and so it is called the red planet. Now let's come to the fifth planet, and that is the largest planet in the solar system, which is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, and 1,300 Earths can fit in Jupiter. 1,300 Earths can fit inside Jupiter. It is so large. Now, let us come to the next planet, that is Saturn. And Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. And it is yellowish in color. It is yellowish in color. And it has beautiful rings. Saturn has beautiful rings. Saturn has beautiful rings. And the rings are made of ice and dust. The rings are made of ice and dust. Now let us go to the seventh planet, and that is Uranus. Uranus, a thick layer of gas covers this planet. A thick layer of gas covers this planet. Now let us go to the eighth planet, that is Neptune. It is farthest from the sun. It is far away from the sun. And that is the reason why cold winds blow there at a very great speed. Cold winds blow there at a very great speed. Now, quickly we will revise the names of the planet once again. So, the first one is Mercury. Then we have Venus. Then Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and the eighth planet, Neptune. Now let me ask some questions for you. Okay, only you will unmute and you will answer. I will ask the question to any one person. That student should unmute. Everyone don't unmute. Okay, the first question, let me see. It goes to, the first question goes to Samran. First question goes to Samran. Okay, Samran. How many planets we have, Samran?
How many planets?
How many planets?
Planet.
Very good. That's the right answer. There are
8 planets.
planets. Good.
Kaivalya
One star goes to Samran. So Samran gets one star. Very good. Now, okay. Now the next question goes to Purvi. What is the color of the planet Earth? Color of the planet Earth? Purvi? Earth on which we live? If you remember. Earth. Okay, Anita ma'am will show you the planet Earth. Anita ma'am will show you the planet Earth. Okay? Have a look. What is the color of planet Earth?
Blue color.
Yes?
Blue.
Very good. That's the right answer. So Earth is blue. Remember that, huh? Could be very good. Very